guys, my name is Afinu Ramadhani.
My name is Rifana Karya Smith.
My name is Irena Devia Zahra.
My name is Arfa Ulfatul Fauzia.
My name is Kia Sandi.
And my name is Akin Witri Kauma.
Hi everyone. I'm Reva from Computer Science Department. Anyway, what's your name?
Nice to meet you, Reva. I am Iren, a second semester Mechanical Engineering student. You like computer science?
Yes.
How interesting.
Hi Reva. I'm Afi from Architecture. I love design and drawing, so it's good to meet you. Hey Reva, I'm Dia, studying business management. I'm usually using assessment and campus organization.
Hey Reva, I'm Ulfa from English sector. I love reading and writing stories.
Hello Reva, I am Akin, medical student. Hello everyone.
Anyway, I don't know the way to the library. Anyone know where it is?
It is easy. From here, just walk straight past the cafeteria, get a left in front of the sky building. The library is next to the small garden.
If you want, I can take you there after lunch. I go to the library almost every day to look references for my assignment.
Wow, thanks Afi. I'm still not very familiar with campus lawyer.
I was confused at first too, but I eventually got used to it. This campus is pretty big, right?
Yes.
Speaking of the future, what are your aspirations?
I want to become a software developer at a large technology company like Google or Microsoft. I really enjoy coding and creating applications.
I want to become a novelist or an editor at publishing house. I really enjoy stories and language.
I aspire to be shotgun. I want to help many people and save lives.
I want to be an engineer who can create the environmentally friendly machines. I care deeply about environmental issues today.
As for me, I want to be an architect who can design unique buildings that are still environmentally friendly. I want to be a manager of a large company, leading a team and making important decisions.
All your aspirations are impressive. Anyway, what do you usually on your weekend?
I enjoy cycling in the park, especially in the morning. The air is fresh and it's good exercise.
I play basketball with my friend every Sunday afternoon sometimes. I also participate in campus tournament.
I usually read books or write stories sometimes. I do participate at writing workshop.
I like playing chess and sometimes join the campus club.
I usually participate in organization activities or go to for casual work with my friend.
I like cooking and watch movie. Sometimes I try new recipe, even though I'm not very good at it yet.
Everyone, I am met from recycle method of that, right?
Wow, the details are amazing. Did you make it all yourself?
Yes, I thought we almost six hours to make it. It's fun and relaxing too.
Cool, Tim. I want to try making a model like that too. The model is awesome, I think. This could be productive to eat.
Just thank you, everyone.
How are your idols or heroes?
I admire Elon Musk. He is innovative and not afraid to take risks.
I admire Malala Yousafzai. Her courage is extraordinary.
I think my hero is my mom because she worked hard and always support me.
It's been doctor who works in remote areas. They are true heroes.
I admire the famous architect Sanahabi. Her design are unique and warm. And inspiration by Steve Jobs. He is a visionary and he's a team spirit.
I think it's a fun chatting with you guys. I'm even more motivated to study and pursue my dream.
Yeah, casual chat like this help us to know each other better and support one another.
I agree. We should together like this more often.
Totally agree. Next time, we can also share about assignment or project.
Agreed. I also to learn one out of